Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a JESLED 90 LED outdoor solar light. This retails for around $20. I'll throw a link in the description if you decide to purchase. So this is the product here. It has obviously solar energy. It has a detection, apparently, a person detection, a USB charging, IP65 waterproof, and it doesn't cost anything to your bill, which is cool because it's solar. No wires at all. Let's get straight into it. So here it is. Looks like we have a user manual on top. This is a 2600 milliamp capacity, 3.7 volts, IP65 directional, 120 degree beam angle. It lasts about 4 to 5 nights. Takes about 5 to 6 hours to charge. So theoretically, this should never die on you if you have a lot of sun. 520 lumens, 35,000 hour lifespan. If you divide 35,000 hours, this should last about probably 3 years, 3 to 5 years. In winter and there's literally no sun, just give it a charge. And that's right here. So you can go and charge this with the power bank. Or you can cover it, which I recommend covering it for most of the time. That way it doesn't have water in there. And I believe this right here is a sensor for people. It says hold switch 5 seconds into emergency mode. Oh, so it just turns it off permanently, so you can't use it at all. So if you need to conserve the battery, you can just turn it on that. So right now it's in the first setting. This is the first brightness, second brightness, and right here it just turns off. You can have it on one mode. This is the brightest it gets. It is fairly bright. You can't really tell. You can't really tell on camera, but I'll have some B-roll and stuff like that. I'll go ahead and turn off the lights so I can show you. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Pretty bright. Yeah, so it gets pretty bright. I'm going to go ahead and show it off this in a B-roll and show you just in general what this looks like. You do have some mounting. Oh, I completely forgot to show you off this little bag here. You have 2 screws here, so you can use these for mounting, obviously, like this. And then you can just mount them like that. And you got these 2 stubs. You got a drilling guide. All right, there we go. That's pretty much it. Very interesting, very easy. All right, so that's that. Let's cue the B-roll, and I'll give you my thoughts and opinions once I see this outside in action. All right, so as you can see, we're outside now, and you can see the light. I mounted it up here, and it's in a really good area, and actually does a lot of light. It obviously is set to solar light, so it'll turn off in the daytime, turn on at nighttime, typical solar. Instead of having it all day on, you can choose that option as well, I believe. But we're just going with the solar energy power saving one, which is the normal typical one, which most people should be able to use. So that's what it looks like. It's very, very bright. I really do like it. For it being about $25, it's really inexpensive, really well worth it. I think you guys should check this out for sure. Link is in the description if you decide to purchase. Once again, thank you for sending this out to me for review. It actually really helps a lot, especially since my whole backyard is pretty much lit up with 3-4 solars, and it's just really energy saving and cost effective.